Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Your ultimate guide to finding car parts online. Tips and tricks for every driver. Imagine the convenience of finding the perfect car parts for your vehicle without ever leaving the comfort of your home. With just a few clicks, you can browse through a vast array of options, compare prices, and make your purchase all online. The world of e-commerce has revolutionized the way we shop for auto parts, offering unparalleled convenience and access to a wide range of products. Gone are the days of scouring multiple stores or salvage yards in search of that elusive part. Online platforms provide a streamlined experience, allowing you to quickly locate and order the specific components you need. Whether you're a car enthusiast looking to upgrade your vehicle or simply in need of a replacement part, the internet offers a one-stop solution for all your automotive needs. By harnessing the power of online shopping, you gain access to a global marketplace right at your fingertips. No longer limited by geographical constraints, you can explore a plethora of options from various vendors, ensuring that you find the best deal for your budget. Additionally, online platforms often feature customer reviews and ratings, providing valuable insights to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The benefits of purchasing car parts online are undeniable. Not only does it save you time and effort, but it also opens up a world of possibilities for customization and upgrades. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a novice DIY enthusiast, the internet puts a wealth of resources at your disposal to enhance your driving experience. So why wait? Dive into the world of online car part shopping and unlock a new realm of possibilities for your vehicle. Researching car parts online. Researching car parts online is a crucial step to ensure you're getting the right components for your vehicle. By familiarizing yourself with your vehicle's specifics and checking the credibility of sellers, you can make informed decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. Know your vehicle. Understanding your vehicle's make, model, year, VIN, engine type, and part numbers is key when searching for car parts online. This information helps guarantee compatibility and ensures the parts you purchase will fit and function correctly. The VIN, in particular, provides a wealth of details about your vehicle, including its production year and engine specifications. Knowing these details helps narrow down your search and prevents the hassle of ordering incorrect parts. Check seller reputation. Before making a purchase, it's essential to verify the reputation of online sellers. Customer reviews, ratings, and feedback offer valuable insights into the reliability and service quality of a seller. Look for positive feedback regarding the accuracy of parts, timely delivery, and customer service responsiveness. By choosing reputable sellers with a track record of customer satisfaction, you can increase the likelihood of a smooth and successful shopping experience. By conducting thorough research and leveraging the power of online resources, you can navigate the world of car parts with confidence and make informed decisions that benefit both your vehicle and your wallet. Utilizing online marketplaces and retailers. When seeking car parts online, one of the most convenient avenues is utilizing various online marketplaces and specialized retailers. These platforms offer a wide range of options and benefits to car owners, making the process of finding and purchasing car parts seamless and efficient. Popular online marketplaces. Online marketplaces like eBay Motors, Amazon, and AutoZone have become go-to destinations for individuals looking to buy car parts. eBay Motors, renowned for its extensive selection, allows both individuals and businesses to sell new and used auto parts, giving buyers a wide array of choices at competitive prices. On the other hand, Amazon's user-friendly interface and vast network of sellers make it a popular choice for convenient and reliable purchases. AutoZone, a trusted automotive retail chain, provides a seamless online shopping experience with the option of in-store pickup for added convenience. Specialized retailers. Specialized online retailers cater to specific makes or types of vehicles, offering a more tailored shopping experience for customers seeking precise car parts. Shopping from these retailers ensures that you can find specialized components that may not be readily available on general marketplaces. To find reputable specialized retailers, consider exploring forums or communities centered around your specific vehicle make or model. These platforms often recommend trusted retailers based on user experiences, ensuring that you receive high-quality parts for your car maintenance needs. By leveraging the benefits of popular online marketplaces and specialized retailers, car owners can access a diverse range of car parts, compare prices, and make informed purchasing decisions to keep their vehicles running smoothly. We've covered essential tips and tricks to help you navigate the world of online car parts shopping with confidence. Armed with this knowledge, you'll be better equipped to find the right parts for your vehicle and make informed purchasing decisions. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll delve deeper into advanced strategies and best practices for securing quality car parts online. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.